Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Zoho Sprints for Agile Ceremonies, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Zoho Sprints for Agile Ceremonies, start by logging into your Zoho account. Once logged in, navigate to the Zoho Sprints application on the dashboard. If you don't see it, use the search bar to quickly locate it. After opening Zoho Sprints, look for the Settings option in the left-hand menu. Click on Settings to reveal additional configuration options. In the Settings menu, locate the Projects section and select it. Here, you will see a list of your existing projects. If you need to create a new project for your Agile Ceremonies, click on the New Project button. Fill in the project details such as name, description, and duration. Once completed, save the new project by clicking on the Create button. Now that your project is created, head back to the main dashboard. Find and open the newly created project that you will use for Agile Ceremonies. Inside the project, look for the Backlog section. In this section, you can begin adding user stories or tasks that need to be completed. Click on the Add User Story button to create your first task. Fill in the details for the user story, including the title and description. Assign the user story to the appropriate team members for better accountability. Next, navigate to the Sprints tab in your project. Create a new sprint by clicking on the New Sprint button. Define the sprint duration and objectives. Once you've set it up, add user stories from your backlog into this sprint. Now, your sprint is ready for execution. To facilitate daily stand-ups, you can use the Active Sprint Board. This visual board will help monitor the progress of ongoing tasks. During the sprint cycle, regularly update the status of each task. To review the overall progress, check the Reports section in Zoho Sprints. Select the type of report you wish to generate to evaluate sprint performance. Use these insights to improve future sprints and ceremonies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.